Well, tomorrow's opening morning. Riding around here. It's about to get dark and trying to roost one. There's actually 3 or 4 big gobblers right down the road here. Roosted right on the road. So it's gonna be tough for somebody not to mess us up, but there's like 5 I've seen them here several times. And so you gotta try it. Gotta take a chance on it, because there's quite a few gobblers. So even if somebody shoots one, as long as they don't get on top of us, we still might get a chance at one. But what worries me, they're right against the road. And yeah, they're right against the road. You could literally pull up there in the morning and shoot one out of the truck with a shotgun. That's how close they are to the road. I tried to pull up there and kind of spook them down in the woods a little bit. A couple of them did fly. And then they landed again down further toward the river down here. So hopefully nobody does that in the morning. But I'm gonna see if I can get one of them gobble here in a minute. They're already in the trees, or they are down here. So see if I can get one to gobble with this old power owl. Right there. Huh. Oh yeah, quarter. Well, it's opening day. We're gonna go kill a turkey. I had to work last night, so he went and roosted turkey for me this morning. And we're gonna slip in here soon. It's about 6 o'clock. We're gonna slip down in here and get in here before day breaks, because try to get down in there before they start waking up and gobbling and everything, because it's a little dry. Make a little bit of noise getting in there, so hopefully we can get in there without spooking anything, but no guarantees. But we'll see what we can do, and hopefully we'll be seeing you a little bit later with a turkey coming in. Let's go get him. Let's go get him. There they are. I see them coming. Yards up there where he stopped. Right straight through there.
coming. Straight down your gun barrel.
I couldn't ask for no better than that, and I just go and mess it up because why not? Let them live. I
Well,
got tags to fill.
well, we just had don't know what happened really. We just they kind of spooked, and I don't know if what happened. Just the way it turned out, rushed. He spooked, and I don't know. I don't know if he hit something or he's clear, but
It looked clear to me, so I pulled the trigger. But you know how I get when I get excited and there's stuff in front of me, I don't see it.
but they done exactly like I was hoping they would.
I mean, it's perfect.
Uh,
I mean, it's perfect.
but
I just got way too nervous.
That's me. I was going to try to take the camera off tripod, and I was shaking so bad I couldn't. So I just left it on there. But
I wasn't really shaking, but my heart was pumping so fast I couldn't keep my mind straight to think. And I mean, that's what it's all about. But once you mess it up, then that fun goes away. I'll tell you that much. I mean, it's a great experience. Later on, I'll be happy about it. But right now, I am fuming because that was perfect. I mean, I couldn't ask for no better. When that one fanned out, if I could have seen his head, I shot him. But where I was sitting at, right here was some brush, and then right here was the top of his fan. And then whenever that one in front of him come around a tree, I was gonna shoot him. Well, whenever he pops out around that tree, I went to shoot him, and about that time, that's whenever he seen us. And he runs in behind some brush and then comes out of it. When he comes out of it, I shot at him. I don't know what happened. And then the one that was fanned out just ran. It didn't fly. So I was like, all right, well, I'll jump up and shoot it. And it run out, and I seen it running out there, and I just and missed it too, I guess. So, but I mean, I shooting it run. It's pretty acceptable if it's running. That first one shouldn't have happened. I should have killed that thing.
I can't believe that. Holy cow. I can't believe that just happened. Good night. Holy crap. Oh, it hammered that dude, man. I can't believe that. I cannot believe it. Oh man, look at that. Hammered him. creek, dude. Oh man, that smacked him. I can't believe that. Shoot. Well, here he is. He's a nice one. I heard him gobbling up there this morning. And I went to try to find a good place to come in at. And man, I come around this field because you can't get through the woods. It's so daggone thick right now. And and I saw a hen up on the hill and I stopped. I went ahead and got ready and I kept hearing drumming. I said, that thing I called up on top of the hill before I come down. In case there was one down here, I could set up and hopefully pull him up the hill. And I'll be daggone. That thing caught me right in the middle. I was up against the edge. I tried to stay against the edge. I was up against that edge, and man, that daggone thing, I heard him drum, and I said, I gotta get ready. I was trying to get my camera on the tripod, and I was just gonna sit down, because I knew he was close. I could hear him drumming, and looked up, and he's standing right in front of me. And I don't know how I got away with it, but I said, I want to get him on video. So I just easily tried to keep my back to him, putting the camera on the tripod. I can't believe it. I ain't never got away with that much movement with a turkey. But I got it kind of zoomed in on him, I hope, and he's starting to get out of range, and which I think there was another hen down here, and I guess he wasn't paying attention to me. And I started calling, and man got him fired up. He started gobbling, and he gobbled a couple times. I hope I got it on video. And he got out here about 60, 70 yards, but you know, I patted my gun that far, man, it laid him down. And just thank you, Lord, for an awesome morning. Can't say enough. Can't say enough. Awesome.